Today is June 10 and my parcel I bought online has arrived and is ready for collection. So all I need to do right now is to go collect it, and that's exactly where I'm going. So see you again once I reach. Okay, I am now in Wrong Acres. I'm now heading over to Timor, Zambia. Yeah, so once I reach there, okay.
Exclusive DJ Payma.
Okay, so I have now collected my parcel. I'm now on my way heading home. So right now I'm about to get on a bus. This is Long Acres in Lusaka. So right now I'm just going to cross the road, and here where I am is Ndeke Hotel. So check it out. No, I'm using the front camera, so the letters are kind of upside down, so you can't really see what's written. Yeah, so I'll definitely make a review video about the parcel I bought. Probably it's going to be on my new channel or on my main one, so we'll see about that.
I was wishing kala na we binti vachinja na kota na we but why uvipanga so, but why umavipanga kunkala so misozi zanga uzaka zikumbuka we na esa kulila pati we sombela. I try to make it right, you always push me. I try to show you love, you always hate me. I'll keep on praying, Zaka Yanka one day. 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 I'll keep on praying. What's love if you're hating? Nigga, well, I wanna keep on hating. What's love if you're hating? Nigga, well, I wanna keep on hating. You take me on, foot, you couldn't fuck on. Chikoni ni marisha, baru keep me on. You take me on, foot, you couldn't fuck on. Chikoni ni marisha, baru keep me on. What's love if you're hating?
Exclusive
Nigga, well, I wanna keep on hating.
DJ Payma.
What's love if you're hating? Nigga, well, I wanna keep on hating.
Exclusive DJ Payma.
What's love if you're hating? Nigga, well, I wanna keep on hating. What's love if you're hating? Nigga, well, I wanna keep on hating. You take me on, foot, you couldn't fuck on. Chikoni ni marisha, baru keep me on. You take me on, foot, you couldn't fuck on. Chikoni ni marisha, baru keep me on. Keep on playing me, I keep on praying. Azaka Yanka one day, I'll keep on praying. Keep on playing me, I'll keep on praying. Azaka Yanka one day, I'll keep on praying. My block yani konka che, but vitu vima chinda vima kala che. Umani konga zikangena, chula umani pasa zikangena. I was wishing kala na we binti vachinja na kota na we but why uvipanga so, but why umavipanga kunkala so misozi zanga uzaka zikumbuka we na esa kulila pati we sombela. I try to make it right, you always push me. I try to show you love, you always hate me. I'll keep on praying. Azaka yanka one day. 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 I'll keep on praying. What's love if you're hating? Nigga buela cuando keep on hating. What's love if you're hating? Nigga buela cuando keep on hating. You take me on for chikuni faka oh. Chikoni ni malisha paru keep me on.